Today's product is Atomy Absolute Reset Balm. Atomy Absolute Reset Balm for wrinkle. This Reset Balm is special skincare product. Usually, we supply skincare product in the morning and night before sleep, twice a day. But only twice a day shortage for our skin, for nutrition. Usually, we drink water frequently for a day. Similar like this. For skin, as like this, need nutrition frequently. This Absolute Reset Balm for supplying frequently nutrition for skin. But after makeup, it is difficult to supply nutrition to our skin because after makeup, supplying nutrition to our skin, our makeup will break. But with this Reset Balm, will not break makeup. Instead of break makeup, this Reset Balm fix the makeup. And this Reset Balm make our makeup bling bling, more bling bling. So you can supply nutrition to your skin frequently. And this Reset Balm include EGF 10,000 ppm. This Reset Balm really powerful antioxidant anti-aging. This Reset Balm researching paper decrease wrinkle immediately. This Reset Balm nickname is remover, wrinkle remover, wrinkle eraser. And you can use this Reset Balm on the neck wrinkle. Neck wrinkle, neck is show up your aging very well. Many people can sorry, wait a minute. Can hide aging to your face, but many people cannot hide aging to your neck. So the neck is show up aging very well. So these days, many people take care neck aging well. This Reset Balm very easy to care neck wrinkle. usually on the neck make very deep wrinkle. But with this Reset Balm, you can remove neck deep wrinkle. And this Reset Balm can make your skin brighter than before. And this Reset Balm make smaller pore. And this Reset Balm include not only EGF. EGF, as you know, de-aging, very expensive ingredient. EGF, Almighty Coat, 10,000 ppm. Not only this, but also dormine, lupin protein, Yosemite extract ingredient, and Janta Lift ingredient. This Janta Lift ingredient is really a high technology ingredient from very new research technology from Canada and French research institution. This Janta Lift really good for remove wrinkle and very immediately effect, and includes shea butter and sunflower seed oil and so on. And the oil, very small oil, so can absorb into very deep. These days, this balm type skincare product come out so many types and very expensive. But actually ingredient also not good actually, other brand. Only aqua, only hydration. But Atomy Reset Balm include really high technology, really high effect for wrinkle and brightening and tightening and so on. And very expensive ingredient. Very really effect ingredient inside and technology. But as you know, the price, reasonable price. If you use this Reset Balm again and again, then your wrinkle will be gone. And your skin will be healthy and de-aging. You can use not only morning and night, this Reset Balm, but also you can apply on the makeup face. Then this Reset Balm can effect fixer, makeup fixer. Okay, today lecture finish. If you have some question, you can ask me. Any question? Okay, then before finish, let's take a photo. Can you open your video? Okay, thank you. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sorry. One more. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Let's shout the motto. Are you ready? Yes. Start. Cherish the spirit. The vision. Follow the faith. Serve with humility. Aja, aja, aja. Okay, thank you. See you next week. Bye.